Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can move products on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify admin panel. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left side of your screen and then go ahead and click on products. Once you click on products, you're going to find a list that includes all of your products. So this list, you're going to find right here in the left the product name. Here you're going to find the status, the inventory, sales channel, market, type, and vendor. Here you're going to find export products, import products, or add product if you want to add new products. So basically guys, if you want to edit any of those products, just go ahead and click on the product name. And as you can see guys right here, you can change the name, add the description, add media, add variants, change the price, or make a discount. You can archive the product and so on. So we're going to go back to the product list. And for example, we want to change how the order of this list are. So if you want to do that, go right here to the right, click on sort, and then, for example, click on created. And as you can see, guys, the order has been changed. For example, updated, and it changed again. So you can sort by product title, created, updated, inventory, product type, and vendor. You can also sort by order first or newest first. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.